Hey guys, welcome to the gist, and in this video we'll be unboxing Ubiquiti Networks' UniFi Cloud Key Cloud Management Solution. Now it's not exactly a cloud management solution, it's a hybrid cloud infrastructure management solution. This thing is what you would use in order to manage the entire infrastructure that you set up using UniFi technology. Now this device is fairly small, it's compact, which we'll see in a little moment. On the side you have the extra branding, on the rear you have the hologram which tells you whether this is authentic or not, and you can see the package contents over here. Let's go ahead and unbox the UniFi Cloud Key. So you see that the quick start guide has dropped out. This should help you set up the entire device and connect it to your network. Then you have the Cloud Key device itself. It's rather compact, as you can see. You have ports on one side, more ports as well as an SD card slot on the other, and then lastly you have the cable itself. Now let's take a look at the device itself. The UniFi Cloud Key is basically a management device for your entire infrastructure. So this thing houses a local instance of the UniFi controller software, which is actually used to manage the entire system, as we mentioned previously. Now on the bottom you have a Type-C port which can be used to power the device, a reset pin hole, an SD card slot if you want to move around your configuration files or switch out your configuration files on the go. On the other hand, you have an Ethernet port which supports PoE, so that's 802.3 AF. On this particular side we have the power button. Now let's plug this thing in and see how it functions. Now let's power the device up. This thing can either use an Ethernet cable with power over Ethernet, that's 802.3 AF, or it can use a simple Type-C connector connected to a mobile power supply. So you have option of powering the device from both devices. Once you connect your Type-C power source to the device, it takes a couple of seconds before it boots up, as is the case with any network management software or solution. And in the center you can see a light blinking. So that's basically the boot up sequence. It has started. And once that light has stabilized, you can use the included cable to either stick it into it in this particular manner, and this side will go into your gateway or switch or whatever you're using to actually manage the entire infrastructure. Because we don't have a gateway installed, we'll just slip this out and connect what we do have. After we wait for a couple of minutes, or rather a couple of seconds, you'll see this particular light stabilize. The internal instance of the UniFi controller software will be accessible for you to play around with. You can see the light is stabilized. Now we can connect to a computer and see what happened. That was the unboxing and a quick overview of the Ubiquiti UniFi Cloud Key solution.